Two camera sets cover the large field of view where this Epson industrial robot is taking on a double challenge. These bolts are of various finishes, shapes, and sizes. The robot has to take an ideal path for two-finger gripping, then account for the combined geometry of the robot, gripper, and part as it is precisely placed in our fixture. And it's doing it under ambient light with no interruptions. If you're thinking about automation for assembly, sorting, picking and placing, kitting, or packaging, this should interest you. These operating conditions and object types are where flex feeders and conventional vision usually won't work. You get a ready robotic vision program trained by AI, with no custom programming or long setup times. Talk to the Apera AI sales team. Don't miss out on an intro to this game-changing technology.